Hi everyone, this is my course project presentation. I am Jeanette Park. For my research question, I picked has the flood average increased from 1950 to now? My data source was the EPA United States Environmental Protection Agency. This is a map taken directly from their website, so it's showing all the cities that were the data source for this study. These are my histograms for the descriptive statistics. And of course, here are my numbers for each year. We got the sample size, which all those cities ended up being 33. We got the mean for each of those, standard deviation, and of course your minimum and our 25%, medium, 75%, and for the next part of the assignment, we had to do for confidence intervals. So with a 95% confidence interval, we have our lower limit for 1950 to 1969. And then we have our higher limit for that year. And then for 2010 to 2020, we have our upper and lower limits. This conclusion showed us that we were 95% confident that the average number of coastal flood events per year is between 0.6906 and 1.3556. During 2010 and 2020, we're at 95% confident that the average number of coastal flood events per year is between 4.65715 and 7.10537. These two groups do not overlap. This means that there was a major increase of the average number of coastal flood events per year in the span of 1950 to 2000. For my hypothesis here, we got our null and alternative hypothesis in words. So I have the mean average number of flood events per year from 2010 to 2020 is less than or equal to the mean average. And so I use the 1.0374221 from the years 1950 to 1969. And then, of course, my hypothesis in words. The mean average number of events per year from 2010 to 2020 is more than the mean average of 1.0374221 of the years 1950 to 1969. And then, of course, down here at the bottom, you have the hypothesis, the null, and then the alternative. So the results of the hypothesis using a 0.05 significance level, we ended up with a test statistic of 8.8844 and the p-value of negative 0.001. What this means is the null hypothesis would be rejected because the alpha is greater than the p-value. For my conclusion here, this is another map that was taken directly from the website, so you can see it from another point of view. But there is enough evidence to support that the average number of flood events per year during the time period 2010 and 2020 is greater than the time period 1950 and 1969. So this confirms my original research question, has the flood average increased from 1950 to we have the evidence to prove that there are more flood events. Here is my reference page. Thank you for watching.